In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a consent form using Qualtrics. This is an essential step in ensuring that your participants fully understand and agree to the terms of your survey. We'll break it down into simple steps, making the process easy to follow and execute on your own. First, let's open your Qualtrics survey and we'll start by creating a new block specifically for your consent information. Why is this important? By having a designated block, you ensure that the consent statement is kept separate from the rest of your survey questions. This separation not only helps organize your survey, but also highlights the consent information as something participants need to pay attention to before moving on. It's a great way to maintain clarity and keep your survey structured. Now that we have our new block, the next step is to add a consent question within it. This question will provide the space for you to communicate your consent information to respondents. Let's create this new question by selecting multiple choice as the question type. This format is perfect for consent, as it allows respondents to clearly indicate their decision. With the question format chosen, we're going to copy and paste the entire consent text into the question. Make sure you've drafted your consent information clearly, including all necessary details like the purpose of your survey, what you expect from participants, any risks involved, and how their data will be used. The clearer your consent form, the better it is for your participants. After pasting the text, we need to consider how participants will provide their consent. At the bottom of your consent text, it's crucial to add options for them to select. These options can be simple, but they should be definitive. A typical format includes two choices. Yes, I agree to participate, and no, I do not wish to participate. Offering these options ensures clarity and understanding on whether they agree to the terms outlined. Remember, while consent forms can sometimes feel like a formality, they are a vital component of ethical research practices. Participants need to feel informed and empowered about their choices, and your job is to make that process as seamless as possible. With the block and questions set up in Qualtrics, you've created a clear, informative consent stage that respects your participants' autonomy. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently create a consent form using Qualtrics, ensuring your survey is both organized and ethical. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need a refresher, and best of luck with your